Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Myself Raza, and in this video I am going to discuss some more important multiple choice questions related to the chapter mensuration. Right? So this is nothing but a part 2 of mensuration. Let us see question number 52. So in a cone, radius is equal to 7 centimeters, height is equal to 10 centimeters, then L is equal to. So already we know L is equal to root over h square plus r square. Now substituting the values. So root over h square is nothing but 10 square plus r square is 7 square, which gives me, so this is 100 plus this is 49. So square root of 149. So square root of 149 is nearly equal to 12. So from the options it is 12.2. Right. Next, Laddu is an example of, so Laddu is an example of SPF. Right. So pi is approximately equal to 22 by 7. So while solving the problem, so we are going to consider pi is equal to 22 by 7. Next, volume of sphere of radius 3.5 centimeters. So here radius is 3.5 centimeters, so we can write it as 7 by 2 centimeters. And after that, so we can simplify. Next, volume of hemisphere. So volume of hemisphere is given by 2/3 pi r cube. Now substituting the values 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube. So r cube means 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Now 1 7 gets cancelled, 1 2 gets cancelled. Now simplification. So 22 into 49. So 49 into 22. Sorry. So here in 2 table I can cancel this also, no. So 11 times. So 49 11s are. So 49 and 49. So 9, 13, 5. So this gives me 539 divided by 6. So in 6 table, so 6 8s are 48. So 48 means I will be left with 5. So 59. So 59 means 6 9s 54. Right. So again 54 means 5 is left over. So answer is 89.83. Right. And the answer is 89.83. So in the above problem, total surface area is. So total surface area of hemisphere is given by 3 pi r square, which is nothing but 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So 7 7 I can cancel it out. So 2 in 11 times. So 11 sevens are 77, 77 threes. So 77 3s, 7 3s are 21, 7 3s 21, 23. So 231 by 2. So which is nothing but 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Next 5 times 10.5. So 115.5. Next, the volume of right circular cone with radius 6 centimeters, height 7 centimeters. So volume of cone is given by, so 1/3 pi r square h. Now substituting the values 1 by 3 into, so 22 by 7 into r square. So radius is 6 into 6 into height is 7. So 7 7 gets cancelled in 3 tables. So this goes 2 times. So 22 into 12. So 22 into 12. So 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2. So 264. Hence the answer is 264 centimeter cube. Next, in the above problem, what is the value of L? So if you observe the previous problem, so L is asking. So L is equal to root over h square plus r square, right? So height is 7, radius is 6. So square root of 6 square plus 7 square. So which gives me 6 square is 36 plus 7 square is 49. So when you add them up, 9 plus 6 15. So 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8. So this is nearly equal to 9 point something. Right. So from the options we don't have 9 point something, hence the answer is none. Next, a heap of rice is in the form of a cone of diameter 12 meters. That means radius is equal to 6 meters and height is given as 8 meters. Then the volume of that particular cone. So volume of cone is given by 1/3 pi r square h. Now substituting the values 1 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7 into r square means 6 into 6 into height is 8. Now simplification. So 3 2s are 6. right? Now this is 7, so it is nearly cancelling one time. So 22 into 12, so 2 twos 4, 2 twos 4, 2 ones 2, 2 ones 2, so it is nearly 264. So it is nearly 264, so but we don't have 264 here, right? So otherwise we, if you want, so we can directly do this, so without cancelling this 7 with 8. Okay, so this is 7 and this is 8. Now what I am going to get, so 22 into 12 is 264, so 264 eights, so 8 fours are 32, 6 eights 48, 51, 5 is carried, 8 to 16, so 2112. So 2112 divided by 7. So 7 threes are 21. Next, so 1 will get down. So if you want to have the other one, so simply drop 12. So 7 ones are 7. So it is nearly 301.71. Okay. So we should not cancel 7 with 8 because there is a lot of change in the value. Okay, hence the answer is option B. Next, in a cylinder, radius is 8 centimeters, height is 10 centimeters, then CSA. So CSA of cylinder is nothing but 2 pi RH. Now substituting the values 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 8 and height is 10. Now multiplying all these things. So 2 into 22, 44. So 44 into 8. So it was a 32, it was a 32, 35. This can be written as 3520 divided by 7. Hence the answer is 3520 divided by 7 centimeter square. Since it is CSA, centimeter square. Next, a sphere, a cylinder and a cone have same radius, then the ratio of their curved surface areas. Now what are the things that are given? Sphere, a cylinder and a cone. Now if you observe this, the height of this particular three things is nothing but equal to 2 times of radius. Right, and the radius are already equal. Now what is he asking? Curved surface areas. So what is curved surface area of sphere? So curved surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square is to curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h is to curved surface area of cone is pi r into root over h square plus r square. Okay, so here what I can cancel it out, pi and pi I can cancel it out. From this one r, from this one r and from this one r I can cancel it out. So finally I am left with 4r is to, so here 2 into height can be written as 2 times of r is to, so here I am going to have square root of h. Height is nothing but 2r, no? So this can be written as 4r square plus r square. Now again this I can write as 4r is to 4r is to, so this I can write as r into root 5, right? So from all the things I can cancel out r. So 4 is to 4 is to root 5 is my answer. Next, in a sphere, radius is equal to 1.75 centimeters. So 1.75 centimeters, then curved surface area. So curved surface area of hemisphere is nothing but given by 2 pi r square. Now substituting the values, 2 into 22 by 7 into what is radius here? So 1.75. So 1.75 can be written as 175 by 100 into 175 by 100. Right? Now in 7 table I can cancel this. So 7 2s are 14. So 14 means 3 will be left, 35. So 7 5s are 35. Right? Now from this what can I do? So 2 into 25 into 22 into 175. So when you multiply all these things, so what I am going to get? So 2 into 22 is 44. So 44 into 25. So 25 fours are 100. So 44 into 25. So 44 can be written as 11 fours. 25 fours are 100. So 100 into 11, 1100. Right? So 1100 into 175 divided by 10000. So two zeros will be cancelled. So 175 into 11. So again I need to multiply this. So 175, 175. So 5, 7 plus 5, 12, 7 plus 2, 9. So 1925 by 100, which is nothing but 19.25. So 19.25 is nothing but my answer here, right? So 175 11s. So 175, 175. I am getting 1925. So hence the answer is 19.25 centimeter square. So which is not in the options, hence none is the answer. Next, moving on to question number 63. Volume of cone if r is equal to 2, h is equal to 4. So volume of cone is given by 1/3 pi r square h. Now substituting the values, 1 by 3 into pi is as it is. Radius is 2 square, which is nothing but 4, into height is 4. So 4 fours are 16 by 3 into pi. Hence the answer is 16 by 3 into pi. Surface area of sphere and cube are equal. So surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square is equal to surface area of cube. So surface area of cube is 6 times of a square. Then the ratio of their volumes is asking, right? So this goes 3 times and this goes 2 times. So from this, what is the value of a? So value of a square is equal to, so 2 pi r square by 3, right? So from this I can write a is equal to root 2 by root 3 into root pi into r. Okay, this is nothing but the value of a. Now what is he asking? Sphere and cube. That means volume of sphere by volume of cube. So volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube by volume of cube is a cube. Now directly what I can write? So 4/3 pi r cube by a cube. So a cube I can write it as 2 root 2 by 3 root 3. So already a value is here. So 2 root 2 by 3 root 3 into pi root pi. So everything I am doing cube. So then I am going to have like this. So root 2 whole cube is nothing but root 2 into root 2 into root 2, which is nothing but 2 root 2 by 3 root 3 into pi into r cube. Now cancellations. So this 2 in 4 it cancels 2 times. Next this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. This pi and this pi will get cancelled. R cube and R cube will get cancelled. Now finally what I am left over in the numerator? In the numerator I have 2. And in the denominator I am having root 2 into root pi by root 3. Now when it comes to numerator I can write it as root 3 by root 2 into pi. Again in 2 table root 2 will get cancelled root 2 times. Then I can write as root 6 by root pi. So root 6 by root pi. Hence the answer is root 6 is to root pi. Hence the answer is none. Right? So here the answer is none. So if he has given cube by sphere, then it is root pi is to root 6. Then option B will come. Okay. Next, in a hemisphere, r is equal to 7, then CSA is equal to, CSA is nothing but 2 pi r square. Substituting the value 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. So 7 7 gets cancelled. So 22 sevens 154, 154 2s are 308. Next, in a cylinder, radius is equal to 7 meters, height is equal to 15, then volume is equal to. So volume is given as pi r square h. So which can be written as 22 by 7 into radius is 7 into 7 into height is 15. So 7 7 gets cancelled. So 22 sevens 154. So 154 15s. So 5 fours are 20. So 5 5s 25, 27. So 5 ones 5, 7. Next 1 4s 4, 1 5s 5, 1 1s 1. So 0, 11. So 13. So 2 3 1 0. Hence the answer is 2 3 1 0. Next, moving on to question number 67. Diagonal of a cuboid. So it is a direct formula. Diagonal of cuboid is given by root over L square plus B square plus H square. Next, heap of stones is an example of a cone, right? Next in the figure, L square is equal to H square plus R square. Next, area of equilateral triangle of side A units is, so area of equilateral triangle is given by root 3 by 4 into A square. So root 3 by 4 into A square. Perimeter of square is 20 centimeters, that is nothing but 4 times of A is equal to 20. So from this A is equal to 5. Now what is he asking? Area. So area A is given by A square, which is nothing but 5 square, 25 centimeters square. Hence the answer is 25 centimeters square. Next, question number 71. So already 71 is completed. Next, 72. So diagonal of a rectangle. So diagonal of rectangle is given by root over L square plus B square. Next, diagonal of a cube. So diagonal of a cube is nothing but root 3 times of A. So root 3 times of A are A root 3 centimeters are units. Next, 10 cube centimeter cube is equal to how many liters? So 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So the conversion is 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Right. Next, volume of hollow cylinder. So volume of cylinder is given by pi r square h. Right. So volume of cylinder is pi into r square h. Now since in a hollow cylinder, so we are going to have two types of radius. So only the part with the radius will change. So what is the change is, so pi into capital R square minus small r square into h. Hence the volume of hollow cylinder is nothing but pi into capital R square minus small r square into h. Hence the answer is option D. Next, dash gave the symbol pi. So who gave the symbol pi? So the symbol of pi was given by Euler. Right. Next, moving on to question number 77. In a cone, L plus R into L minus R. So L plus R into L minus R can be written as L square minus R square. So L square minus R square is nothing but H square. So answer is H square. Next, a cuboid has dimensions 10 into 10 by 8 by 6. Then its volume is. So volume is nothing but length into breadth into height only, no. So 10 into 8 into 6. So 6 8s are 48, 48 10s are 480 centimeter cube. Next, CSA of cone is 4070 centimeter square and its diameter is 70. Then its slant height is. So already we know pi RL is nothing but slant height of cone. Now substituting the values, so pi is nothing but 22 by 7 into radius is given as 70 by 2. So diameter is 70, hence radius is 70 by 2 into slant height is equal to 4070. So 1010 I can cancel it out here. Right. Next, 7 also we can cancel out in two tables. So this goes 11 times. So L is equal to 407 by 11. So this gives me 11 3s are 33 and 11 7s are 77. Next, hence the answer is 37. Next, the radius of sphere is 2.1. So radius I can write as 21 by 10. Then its volume is, so volume of sphere is given by 4/3 pi r cube, which is nothing but 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 10 into 21 by 10 into 21 by 10. So 3 7s are 21. So that got cancelled. Now finally, so what I need to find, so 88 into, so 422s, 88 into, so 441. So 21 square is 441. So multiplication, so 441 into 88, so 8 ones are 8. So 8 fours are 32. So 3 is carried. 32 plus 3 35. Next 8 ones are 8. So same thing 5 3. Now 8 plus 2 10. So 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8. Next 5 plus 3 8. So 38808 by, so what is there, 10 cube. So 38808 by 10 cube gives me 38.808. So 38.808 will be my answer here. So here L square is equal to H square plus R square. So H is 15, R is 8. So 8, 15, 17 is nothing but my Pythagorean triplet. So by using that we can say this. Next, the surface area of sphere is 616 square centimeters. Then its radius is. So surface area is nothing but given by 4 pi r square. So 4 pi r square is equal to 616. So which is given by 4 into 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 616. Now in 4 table, so 4 ones are 4. So 21. So 4 5s are 20. Next, so 20 means, so 16 will be left. So 4 4s are 16. Next 22 7s are 154. So already we are dealing with that r square is equal to 7 square. So from this r is equal to 7. Hence radius is 7 centimeters. Next 83. Base circumference of a cylinder is 220 centimeters square. Sorry, 220 centimeters. So which is nothing but 2 pi r is given as 220 and height is given as 63 centimeters. So we need to find out CSA. So CSA of cylinder is given by 2 pi RH. So already we have the values. So 2 pi r is 220 into h is 63. So 22 into 63. So 63 into 22. So 3 2s are 6. 3 6 are 12. Sorry. 2 3s are 6. 2 6 are 12. The same way 126. So 6 8 3 1. So answer is 13860. Hence the answer is 13860. Next, in a cone, diameter is equal to 14 centimeters. That means radius is equal to 7 centimeters. Slant height is 10 centimeters. Then curved surface area. So curved surface area is given by pi RL. So which is equal to 22 by 7 into radius is 7 into slant height is 10. So 7 7 gets cancelled. 22 tens are 220. Next, in a cube, A is equal to 4 centimeters. Then TSA. So TSA of cube is nothing but 6a square. So 6 into 4 square. So 6 into 16. So 6 6 are. So 6 6 are 36. Hence the answer is 96 centimeters square. Right? Hence the answer is none. Number of edges of a cuboid. So in a cuboid we are going to have 12 edges and 6 faces and 8 vertices. Next, in it, if the diagonals of a rhombus are 10 centimeters and 24 centimeters, then the area of the rhombus. So area of rhombus is given by half into d1 into d2, which is nothing but half into 10 into 24. So 10 24 is a 240 by 2, which is nothing but 120 centimeters square. Hence the answer is 120 centimeters square. Next, question number 88. Volume of a cone with d as diameter and h as height is. So volume of cone is given by 1/3 pi r square h. Right? So this I can write as 1/3 pi. Radius is nothing but diameter by 2. So d by 2 whole square into h. So on simplification, so 1 by 3 pi into d square by 4 into h. So this gives me 1 by 12 into pi d square h. So pi d square h by 12 is my answer. Right. Next, the area of the base of the right circular cone is 78.5 centimeters square, and if its height is 12 centimeters, then its volume is. Now if you observe this carefully, so area of the base is nothing but pi r square. So pi r square is nothing but 78.5 centimeters square. Next, he has given height is equal to 12 centimeters. Next, volume of cone is nothing but 1/3 pi r square h. Now already I know pi r square value and h value. Now substituting those values, so 78.5 into 12. So in 3 tables, so this goes 4 times. So 78.5 into 4. So 78.5 fours are, so 5 fours are 20. So 2 is carried, 8 fours are 32 plus 2 34. 3 is carried, so 7 fours are 28, 31. So this gives me 314. Hence the answer is 314. Next, the volume of cuboid is 3,36,000 centimeter cube. If its area is 5,600 centimeter square, so that is nothing but base area. Then height is. So already we know, so length into breadth into height. So here volume 3,36,000 is equal to, so 5,600 into height. Now based on this two zeros I can cancel them out. Now from this h is equal to 3360 divided by 56. Now in 4 table, so 4 8s are 32, so 16 means 4 4 16, so 0 will be followed. Next 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16, right? So 840 divided by 14. Now next in 14 table, so in 14 table, so this goes 6 times, so hence the answer is 60, right? So height is 60 centimeters. Next the volume of cone is 462 centimeter cube, radius is 7, then height is equal to, so volume of cone is given by, so 1/3 pi r square h, so 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r square h. So r square means 7 into 7 into h is equal to 462. So here 7 7 gets cancelled. Now from this h is equal to, here it is 462 into this 1 by 3 will become 3 by 1 into 22 will become 1 by 22 into 1 by 7, right? Now in 11 table it goes 2 times, in 11 table it goes 42 times. Next in 7 table, so 7 6 are 42. Next again in 2 table, so this goes 3 times, so 3 3s are 9, hence the height of the cone is 9 centimeters. Next moving on to question number 92. In a cylinder, height is equal to 14 centimeters, volume is equal to 176 centimeter cube, radius is equal to how much? So volume of cylinder is given by pi r square h. So 22 by 7 into r square into height is 14 centimeters is equal to 176. Now simplification. So r square can be written as, so 176 into, so 22 by 7 when it is transposed it becomes 7 by 22 into 1 by 14, right? Now in 7 table, so this goes 2 times again. So this in 11 table, so 11 twos are 22, and in 11 table 11 ones are 11, 11 sixes. Next 2 twos are 4, in 4 table 16, it goes 4 times. So r square is equal to 4, so from this r is equal to 2, hence radius is 2 centimeters. The area of equilateral triangle is 36 root 3 centimeter square. That is nothing but root 3 by 4 a square is equal to, he has given 36 root 3. So root 3 I can cancel it out. So from this I can write as a square is equal to 6 into 6 into this 4 I can write it as 2 into 2. So from this a is equal to, from this 1 6 and from this 1 2, which is nothing but 12 centimeters. Now what is he asking? Perimeter of equilateral triangle. So perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 times of A, which is nothing but 3 into 12. So 3 into 12 is 36 centimeters. Hence the answer is 36 centimeters. Next, total surface area of cylinder is 1188 centimeters square. H is equal to 20, then its volume is. So total surface area is given by 2 pi r into r plus h. So 2 pi r into r plus h, so which is equal to 1188 centimeters square. Now here in this, so what he has given? So he has given height. So height is 20. So if I write 20 here, so from this I can find out the value of r. So from this 2 into 22 by 7 into, so r into r plus 20 is equal to 1188. Right? So in 11 table, so this goes 2 times. In 11 table, so this goes 108 times. Right? Now from this again, so 1 2 I can cancel this 108, 54 times. Again this 2 I can cancel 27 times. So from this r into r plus 20 I can write it as 27 into 7. Now on comparison, so radius can be 7. right? So radius is equal to 7. Then I need to find out the volume. So volume is nothing but pi r square h, which is equal to 22 by 7 into radius is 7 into 7 into height is 20. So 17 gets cancelled. So 7 2s are 14. So 22 14s. So 4 2s are 8 8. So 1 2s are 2 1 2s are 2. So 803. So it is nothing but 3080 centimeter cube, right? So 3080 centimeter cube. Next, surface area of cube of side 27 centimeters is. So surface area is asking. So surface area is nothing but 6a square. So 6 into 27 into 27. So 6 into 729. So 9 6 is 54. 5 is carried. 6 2 is 12 plus 5 17. 1 is carried. 6 7 is 42 plus 1 43. Hence the answer is 4374. Next, the perimeter of equilateral triangle is 60 centimeters. That means 3 times of A is equal to 60. So from this A is equal to 20. Then area of equilateral triangle is given by root 3 by 4 A square. So A square means 20 square. So root 3 by 4 into, so 20 square is 400. So this goes 100 times. So 100 root 3. So 100 into root 3 can be written as 1.732. So from this I can write it as 173.2. Hence the answer is 173.2. Next, 97. The volume of hemisphere. So volume of hemisphere is given by 2 by 3 into pi r cube. So pi I can write as 22 by 7 into r cube is equal to 19404. Now what is he asking? So total surface area. So I need to simplify this to find out the value of r. So r cube is equal to 19404 into, so 3 by 2 into 7 by 22, right? So in 11 table, so this goes 2 times in 11 table. So 11 ones are 11. Next I will be left with 8. So 84 means 7 times 77. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So 70 again 6 times. So 6 times it is 66. So 4 is left. So 1764. Okay, next again in 2 table, if I cancel it out, so what I am going to get? So 2 8s are 16. So 2 8s are 16. So 2 2s are 4. Again in 2 table, if I cancel this, I am going to get 441. Right? Now from this, I can simply say that r cube is equal to 441. I can write it as 21 square into, here already 21 is there. So from this r is equal to 21. Radius is 21. Now I need to find out total surface area. Total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square, which is nothing but 3 into 22 by 7 into r square. So r square is 441. Or so this, what 441 I can write it as, so 441. So 7 6 are 42, 7 3s are 21. So multiplication, so 66 into 63. So 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19, 6 6 are 36, 6 6 are 36, 39. So 8, 15, 11, 4. So answer is 4158 here. If the diagonal of a cube is 2.5 meters, then volume is. So diagonal of a cube is 2.5 meters. So already we know A is equal to root 3, sorry, diagonal is equal to root 3 times of A. So from this A is equal to D by root 3. So which I can write it as 2.5 divided by root 3. Then volume. So volume is nothing but A cube. So A cube is equal to, so this I can write as 5 by 2 root 3 whole cube. So which I can write it as So 5 cube is 125 divided by 2 cube is 8 into 3 root 3. Now on simplification, so 125 divided by 24 into root 3. So 24 into root 3. Now is there any possibility of cancellation? So that we need to do here, right? So in this, so what we can do is, so we can do rationalization. So multiplying with its rationalizing factor, then I am going to have, so 125 into root 3 divided by 24 threes. So 24 threes are 72. So on simplification, so it will be approximately equal to 3.01, right? Next, so r cube is equal to 1728. So 1728 is nothing but 12 cube. So from this, r can be written as 12. Next, football is in the shape of a sphere. Next, number of faces of cuboid is, so number of faces is 6. And if we ask about edges, so edges is 12, already we know. So if you ask about vertices, so total number of vertices are 8, right? So these are the questions, so multiple choice questions related to the chapter, so mensuration, right? So thank you for watching the video and stay connected with the channel for further more videos.